Closing cost estimates, interest rates, fees, third-party expenses, all of those things can be very complicated to understand, and all of those things take a lot of effort and a lot of detail to put together correctly for you as the customer. Here's some things that you need to consider. One, interest rates change from day to day sometimes. Think about it like a gas station. You drive by a gas station and the price of gas is one thing on one day. You go by the next day, it may be the same, or maybe a little bit more expensive, maybe a little bit cheaper. Certainly if you go by that gas station in 2 weeks, it's going to be different one way or the other. Interest rates are very similar to that, constantly moving. So be sure to check back in when you're getting near to putting an offer on a home so we can update the numbers that we've given you to be more specific with where the market is at that time. Next, closing costs. There's lender closing costs, which are specific to us and to the interest rate that you're opting to buy. There's also third-party costs. Those could be state fees. That could be the cost of your homeowner's insurance. That could also be cost of the appraisal. Those costs are going to be the same no matter what program you choose, or the only variables there would maybe be if you decide to have a slightly lower loan amount and things of that nature. In order to give you as much of a detailed estimate as we possibly can, we need to know all of those things. So in the very beginning, where you're at right now, when we put together an estimate for you, it's conservative. It's trying to keep numbers where we think the absolute highest would be for those third parties so that you can plan accordingly. Again, as you get close to finding the right property for you and you're about to make an offer, we can update that specific to that property, specific to the terms you're going to ask your seller to apply to with you, and then also to where the market is for the interest rates at that time. Please reach out at any time. We're happy to help answer any questions that you have.